Is your skin feeling dry and sensitive? It might be your skin barrier crying for help. Hi, I'm Alan Warnitz, a nutrition expert dedicated to helping individuals restore their health through nutrition and supplements. Today, I want to introduce you to a remarkable compound that can transform your skin health, the copper peptide, GHK-Cu. Copper peptide, GHK-Cu, which is the combination of 3 amino acids that you obtain from proteins from meat, chicken, fish, eggs, milk. Glycine, histidyl, lysine with copper is a naturally occurring peptide readily found in your blood serum with remarkable benefits for skin health. Let's delve into how it can transform your skin. Our skin barrier is the frontline defense against environmental aggressors. When it's compromised, we experience dryness, sensitivity, and a host of other issues. Factors like pollution, ultraviolet radiation, and aging can weaken this barrier, leading to moisture loss and irritation. This is where the copper peptide comes into play. It has the unique ability to repair and strengthen your skin's protective barrier. It repairs and strengthens your skin protective barrier. It locks in moisture for hydrated, resilient skin, and it protects against environmental damage. By enhancing collagen production, the copper peptide improves skin elasticity and firmness, effectively repairing the skin barrier. In addition to repairing the barrier, the copper peptide locks in moisture, ensuring your skin remains hydrated and resilient. It also offers protection against environmental damage, acting as a shield against pollutants and UV ultraviolet radiation. Many skincare products incorporate ingredients like hyaluronic acid, retinol, and vitamin C to promote skin health. While these are beneficial, hyaluronic acid hydrates, retinol stimulates cell turnover, and vitamin C boosts collagen production. The copper peptide has been shown to deliver faster and more effective results in clinical studies. In fact, research indicates that the copper peptide may offer superior results compared to both retinol and vitamin C. Incorporating the copper peptide into your skin care routine can be as simple as applying a serum or cream containing this peptide. Consistent use can lead to noticeable improvements in skin health. Want to learn more about enhancing your skin health? Subscribe to my channel for more insights and book a free 30-minute health consultation via the link in the description. Let's work together to elevate your skin's health and achieve the radiant complexion you deserve.